So I made a mistake, but it's not the one you think. I got the Traxmix POE camera, and when I installed it, I didn't install the waterproof lid properly. Don't make that mistake. The Reolink comes with everything you need, including the directions on how to install the waterproof lid. Now, here's where my mistake comes in. Right there, the O-ring. I didn't install the O-ring. Well, I did install it, but I installed it in the wrong place. Ooh, how satisfying. The Trackmix has a spot for the micro SD card along with the reset button underneath the door on the bottom of the camera. Okay, now for the part that I missed. Installing the O-ring. Make sure it sits flush and is seated properly. Thread the Ethernet cable through the first cap, then through the waterproof barrel, and now attach the rubber grommet. I have to warn you, depending on the thickness of your Ethernet cable, this part right here can take a little force, and in my case, it absolutely did. It took everything I had to screw on that end cap on top of the rubber grommet inside the waterproof lid. I noticed that when I was done screwing on that end cap, the rubber grommet protruded from the back side of the waterproof lid. Make sure that seal is tight. As an extra precaution, I went and I stuffed the waterproof lid up underneath my siding. I would recommend this or some type of waterproof capsule just as an extra precaution. If you have a moment, head on over to my other channel, Nature Livestream Color My World. Check out the video, and I'll leave a link in the description to that channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't make that mistake that I did.